हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग रियली वेल। मैं आप लोगों को ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं अपना यूट्यूब चैनल, इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ एंड आई एम कमिंग अप विद SLC क्लासेस ऑफलाइन एज वेल एज ऑनलाइन. So my offline means I have an academy at my place and you all are welcome to visit it at any time you want. Just you need to let me know, okay? And for online, you can definitely follow, subscribe or like me wherever I am and posting the videos on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. I will be coming up with new updates. There are certain things that I have noticed during my teaching career that people are generally either not aware or they do not wish to get the correct information from the sources those are available to the people. I wish to provide them with the right information that they should get, and this is going to be the approach that I'm going to follow here going ahead. And whatever I have learned until today through my career with various companies, I'm going to share it all with you depending upon your interest. If you are interested in completely spoken English classes, you can simply let me know by clicking this Google form and filling your respective information. Okay. And if you want to go for language or you can say grammar classes, still you have an option there and you are more than welcome to join me at any point in time you wish to. So see you soon everyone. Until then, goodbye, take care.